Hey John, this is Nate coming to you from Tameron Hyundai. Just wanted to reach out to you with a quick video walk around of a Sonata and introduce myself. Again, my name is Nate here at Tameron. I'm going to introduce you to the all-new redesigned Sonata here. This is the 2.0 Turbo Limited, just like you have now. Let's walk through this vehicle real quick. It does have the Hyundai honeycomb cascading grille, as well as the LED wraparound headlights. One of the really cool things about these vehicles now is these lights oscillate. As you turn the wheel, these lights are going to oscillate for you, keep that vision sharp for you. We do have the aluminum alloy wheels, blind spot detection in the mirror, as well as turn indicator. And if you come inside, I'm going to show you a couple of quick features. There's so much equipment in these vehicles nowadays, John. I'm just going to run through a couple of quick points. It does have the heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats, Android Apple CarPlay with a 7.5-inch touchscreen monitor. We do have the panoramic sunroof, leather seating, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert. Again, there's so many things that goes into this vehicle, John. But let me tell you one of the beauty parts about it, as you already know, because you are a loyal Hyundai owner, is the warranty. That warranty is 5 years, 60,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain protection. But here at Tameron, we're going to double that warranty for you and make it 20 years or 200,000 miles, whichever comes first. Come see me. My name is Nate, 205-287-2321, and you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.